This is my fifth pizza I'm gonna eat. So let's see how many can eat in the end. Going to a place called Tandoori Pizza. You're gonna be there very soon. So we might be there in another 2 or 1 minute. Not really spicy.
And you like them? You love them?
Yeah, it's so good.
Have you eaten them before?
Yeah, I eaten them like 100 times.
100 times. But this time, you want to try as many as possible, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so how old are you? 6 years?
6 years
And how
old.
many pieces are you gonna try?
6.
Okay. So, do you want to give a shout out to the person you're inspired from?
Yeah. I love Adam.
Adam. And what is his channel name?
Beard meets food.
Okay.
Almost there. Gonna have a challenge this time at Tandoori Pizza.
You're excited?
Yeah.
You want to eat pizza?
Yeah.
Okay.
To eat.
Okay.
Let me put some in my plate. It's a big one. I'll put 4 slices for now.
Okay. This is the chicken one.
Yeah, I want to both. 1, 2. These both are chicken.
This is paneer.
So I got 1 chicken, 1 paneer.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. It's kind of hard, but I need to eat it.
Bolo.
I love this tandoori pizza. This is the best pizza ever.
Okay. What do you like the most about this pizza? Like, you will not like the sauce, you like the crust.
The taste is very good and the pizza looks very good.
Okay, looks good. The taste is good. Paneer is good on top. Olives are good on top.
Olive, the chicken is good.
Chicken is good. Okay. Do you recommend kids to come here and eat?
Yeah, this is the best.
Can the kids in your class who don't eat a lot of spices or chili, can they come here and
Yeah.
eat? It's not that spicy.
Only Sidhu might come here because he's vegetarian.
Oh, he's vegetarian. Yeah, that is good too.
And,
Like it has paneer.
But the only thing is he cannot order with chicken because he doesn't like chicken.
Mm-hmm.
And I am both. I'm vegetarian and yeah.
Two pieces done. Which one? Third one? Paneer. You can take this one.
Give me 2.
Okay. This is.
This is my very, very first time eating 4 pieces of pizza.
Okay.
Let's start eating. Let's start eating.
You're liking chicken better or the paneer one better?
Both.
Both equal?
Like, I love them equal, but if you say that I want to choose one, I love the paneer, I love the chicken, I love the paneer more. If you choose the choose one. Whoa, this pizza is so long. I cannot even hold it with my hand. How will I eat it? I have magical to do. Abracadabra. Oh. And by the way, my name is Kabir.
Your name is Kabir. What should others do? Subscribe to your channel?
Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.
Like button? Okay.
Please like this video because I worked so hard to eat 3.5 pizza. So I'm gonna eat more. And I just burped.
But means you had a lot of air in your tummy.
Yeah, so I need more. A lot more. If you're eating a pizza and you have a burp, mean that you need to eat like 2 or 1 more.
Okay.
I might not really finish everything,
Yeah.
but I'll just try my best to eat at least 6 or 5.
Okay.
I might be able to eat 5 because this is my 4th one.
Yeah, 5 easily you can do. I'm sure. Pieces. Right? There's a difference.
I'm on my 4th one.
You're done with your 4th one. Good job.
This is my 5th pizza I'm gonna eat. So let's see how we can eat at the end. It's really good. I wish my whole family is here, but my dog cannot eat it, and the dog daycare, the dog is not here because he went to India for a week, so he's gonna come this Saturday.
You did it. Maybe let's do the math. I ate like 6 slices. You ate 5 slices. What is 6 plus 5? 11. And how many slices do we have left?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So then how many slices were there?
16.
Good job. So 8 slices were chicken and 8 slices were paneer, right?
Oh, yeah.
So,
I'm done with 5.
yeah.
Oh, man.
Are you full now?
Kinda.
Okay. You want to go over another one, or you want to beat the challenge, or you're okay?
I think I'll stop.
You will stop?
5.
Okay, that's good.
My total is 5.
Good job, buddy.
Did I eat 41 because I ate 5 and I ate one pizza less than I eat and all I had. So how many? My dad had to eat 41. But he didn't eat 41. But if we eat 41, it will be at least like 5 or 6 packs.
Yeah, I know. So 16 times, we need to have 16 plus 16.
32.
32, yes. So 2 pizzas. And then we need, you said, how many I need to eat?
41.
41. And also, you will eat also 5 or 6, right? So we need another almost 16 pieces. So then 32 plus 16 would be
48.
48. So we need 43 pizzas if Papa will eat. Okay, chalo. See you then.
Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye.